Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Make sure you're on Windows 11 and signed in with an administrator account because only admins can install optional app updates. Once done, connect to the internet, Wi-Fi or Ethernet, and open settings from Start or type Windows Update to get there fast. This matters because updates for built-in apps like Windows Media Player are delivered through the OS Update channels. Now that settings is open, navigate directly to Windows Update so you can check for patches and optional app updates. Once Windows Update finishes scanning, review the results. Install any critical system updates first, because app updates sometimes depend on OS patches. Then click Optional Updates and look for Windows Media Player or related media feature pack entries. Select them and choose Install. Alternatively, open Microsoft Store, go to Library, and press Get Updates to refresh app packages. This pulls any media player updates pushed via the store. Make sure download completes without interruption. A stable connection prevents corrupted installs, so pause other heavy network activity if needed. Finish by restarting when prompted. Many updates apply only at reboot, so don't skip it. After the system comes back, open Windows Media Player and check Help or About to confirm the version change. This verifies success. If the update failed or Media Player misbehaves, run the Windows Update Troubleshooter and the Microsoft Store Troubleshooter, then try the update again. If problems persist, sign out and back in, or create a fresh user profile to isolate settings conflicts. These steps fix most installation or permission errors.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.